Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change eye color in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening up you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page of Pixlr where we can start with logging into our account in the upper right corner. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this home page where we can get started opening up the photo editor. So let's go ahead and open up the photo editor that we want to use for editing our image and changing the eye color. So this is going to open up this new menu where we can open up the image that we want to use. I'm going to open up this image that I already have right here. So let's say you have a different image of a person with an eye color. It's going to work the same for that picture as well. Just follow my steps. Basically, at the left side screen you can see the toolbar with all the options and effects that you have, such as arrange, crop, cutout, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to change the eye color of a person that we might have. So basically what you want to do first is go ahead and cut out the thing that you want to change the color for. So we're going to use the cutout option right here, and you can use the cutout option that you have for shape cutout, or you can just use the draw cutout to cut out the eye from your picture. After you have cut out what you want to change the color for, so as you can see here, I'm just going to go ahead and select what I want to cut out, and now we can go ahead and select that. So just go ahead and fill it out, draw over what you want to cut out. As you can see, here is now our new cutout. So that new cutout can appear in our new layer that we're going to go ahead and see, and then we can go into the adjust option right here. In the adjust option, now we can get started with changing the color of whatever we want to change the thing for. So we are going to change the color of the scene that we have cut out. So make sure you have selected your eye, and after getting your desired colors, just go ahead and click close and apply, and this is now going to change the color for your eyes as well. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.